Halika't pag-usapan po natin tinatawag nating good and bad days to cut your hair. At kung anong meaning nito if in case na magawa nyo po ang pagpapagupit sa mga araw na ito. So let's start with June 1. June 1 is a bad day to do your haircut because you can miss out opportunities daw or you can lose something. Dito naman tayo sa June 2. Sa June 2 naman, kapag nagpagupit ka, it's a bad day also because nakaka-lower daw to ng resistance to dark magic at sa mga spells. But if you're going to cut your hair sa tinatawag nating June 3, it's a good day na magpagupit ka dyan. So that's a Wednesday. Because pinaniniwalaan that you will receive possessions and gifts from others. And you can also receive a good news coming from others which is related to properties and vehicles. So alam nyo na. So let's go naman sa tinatawag nating June 4. Kapag June 4 po, that's a good day also to cut your hair because someone, a mentor or a friend or a relative will offer advice and support and assistance sa iyo on that day. Haba nito, no? So makinig lang ho kayo mabuti. So sa June 5 naman, kung magpapagupit ka, wag na wag kang magpapagupit because you might lose a main source of income and support from an influential someone. So dito naman po tayo sa tinatawag nating June 6. It's a bad day to cut your hair as well because you can catch a disease or you will fall ill kapag ikaw ay nagpagupit ng araw na yan. So let's go now to June 7. June 7 is a good day because you might receive a new job offer or something na has something to do with the opportunity of making money. So let's go now naman sa June 8. Kapag June 8 naman, it's a good day to have your haircut done because good news is coming your way. And yung buhay mo might be comfortable or more comfortable on that day. Kapag nagpapagupit ka naman or magpapagupit ka ng tinatawag nating June 9, it's a bad day because pinaniniwalaan you might get eye infections or problems or you can miss an important events or meetings in the near future. So I hope you're catching up with this. I'm trying to make it as simple as possible, so bear with me. So if June 10 ka naman nag-decide na magpagupit, you will catch contagious disease, you could develop a rash on your skin or an allergy, or it might be an acute viral infection. So going back, dito naman tayo sa tinatawag nating good, which is 11. That's a good day to have your haircut done because pinaniniwalaan na ang blessings and happiness at pati na po yung tinatawag na problema ay magkakasolusyon. At kung ikaw ay may heartbreak, ito po ay sa good day also to dissolve it kapag ikaw ay napagupit daw nung araw na yan. So, meron din tinatawag na good news na paparating sa iyo kapag ikaw ay napagupit ng June 11. So moving forward, nasa June 12 na tayo. If June 12 ka magpapagupit, that's a good day to have your haircut done because good karma will come to you and a wish fulfillment will increase or will come to you or magtutupad po. So, going back, dito naman tayo sa tawag nating June 13. Kung June 13 ka magpapagupit, it's a bad day to do it because misunderstandings with others can occur. So, June 14 naman tayo. Sa June 14, it's a bad day also because you can become vulnerable para ma-harm ng mga spirits or maaari kang ma-depress or magkaroon ng mga mental illnesses kapag ikaw ay nagpagupit ng June 14. So, June 15 naman, it's a bad day also kasi maaari kang maka-attract ng unpleasant spiritual disturbances from ghosts and wandering spirit at nights. So, it's a bad day also. So, if you're going to have your haircut done on the 16th of June, it's a bad day also, especially for elderly people. They can get sick. So, try to avoid na lang na pagupitan sila on that day. So, moving forward, dito tayo sa June 17. June 17 is a good day for you to have your haircut done. Kasi may mga surprise bonus, expensive gifts, opportunities, or something that has to do with money na mapapa sa'yo or mangyayaring maganda para sa'yo. So, that's a good day. June 17. So, moving forward tayo sa June 18. It's a good day for you to have your haircut done because you will have this you will have this aura which is mas magiging attractive ka when it comes to your complexions, and magagravitate yung interest ng mga tao sa iyo. So if you're into sales, magpagupit ka ng June 18. So moving forward sa June 19 naman tayo, it's a bad day for you to have your haircut done dahil maaari kang magkaroon ng hindi magandang pakikitungo or maaari ka maka-attract ng pakikipag-away ng mga araw na yan. So, please don't do your haircut on that day. That is Friday, June 19. Moving forward sa June 20, it's a bad day also to have your haircut done because you might feel depressed and you might feel sick. Moving forward, dito tayo sa 21. It's a good day for you to have your haircut done because maaari itong makatulong sa increase ng lifespan mo. So, if you have an elderly individual sa inyo, dyan nyo pa siya pagupitan ng June 21. So, moving forward sa June 22. June 22 is a good day for you to have your haircut done because you may meet with an old friend, ex-boyfriend, or ex-girlfriend and begin a new romance. So, ito'y para sa mga single lang ha. Tumigil yung mga may jowa na dyan. So, nandito naman po tayo sa June 23. June 23 is a good day because power and authority will come to you. So, get your haircut done on June 23. And if in case you want to be promoted, maganda rin pong araw yan na ikaw ay magpagupit. And that's June 23. Moving forward, dito naman tayo sa tinatawag na June 24. Intelligence and knowledge will increase. And this is an excellent day sa mga students and mga children to have your haircut done. So, dito naman tayo sa tinatawag nating June 25. So, sa June 25, it's the same meaning katulad nung sinabi ko sa June 24. So, it's about intelligence and knowledge increase. So, again, it's an excellent day for students and children to have their haircut done. So, moving forward tayo sa ating tinatawag na June 26. Sa June 26 po, wag po kayo magpagupit because it might bring danger and violence to you. Maaari din pong maka-attract ng accident. So, as much as possible, iwasan natin itong June 26 na ito. Wala namang mawawala. Moving forward, June 27. June 27 is a good day because good fortune comes to you. Luck in all areas will improve. Small obstacles and small obstacles na meron kayo, you can overcome it with little effort, as in little effort lang. So moving forward tayo dito sa June 28, wealth and investment and possessions will increase kapag napagupit ka raw ng June 28. So you could acquire a new properties or may possibility kang maka-acquire ng bagong properties. So let's go naman sa June 29. June 29, ito'y magandang araw din because pinaniniwalaan that your life will become smooth. And last but not the least, June 30. Huwag magpagupit ng June 30 because you might lose something. So, this is Angel Card 88 and hopefully meron kayong natutunan dito sa shinare ko sa inyo. Again, wala pong mawawala kung ikaw naman ay hindi naniniwala. Ito ay gabay lamang para sa mga naniniwala po sa swerte at malas.